God, please send the rain so this cup runneth over. Light's working again. Moon is almost full tomorrow night. And no rains. But we have one potato left to plant. I planted this part of the garden for Kitty and Pitty's spirits, for the potatoes that are going to be developed for the spirit. I planted that when the moon, the right side of the moon, right half moon, was bright, and planted some spuds with Kitty and Pitty. And typical Kitty, typical cat, didn't show up for the spud planting or the photo shoot. Total diva. Potato moon. Do you want the potato? Is that what I'm sensing from you? So now in this part of the garden, there's some sunflowers. There's some special seeds from John. There's some cabbage. That's because we wanted special growing conditions for the potatoes, for Pitty and Kitty spirits. So we've got 7 white potatoes in here, plus 2 red potatoes over there. And then I just added the 8th potato. See if the moon gets too full tomorrow and pours out on us. Night, Gator. Almost full.